Hello everybody in the YouTube world. This is Walter McCormick coming at you with another insurance video. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, why do my auto insurance rates keep going up? So I will fill you in on some of the top 10 reasons why auto insurance rates go up. So I'm going to be reading a little bit from my computer monitor, which is over here, so bear with me on that. So number one, your claims history and your driving record. So every single time you get your auto insurance updated, they pull your motor vehicle report. So if you've gotten tickets, if you've gotten accidents, citations, etc., those factor in. Number two is history of convictions, which is also factored into the tickets and such, or driving violations causing extra charges. Okay, so this is like if you got a DUI or if you got into an at-fault accident and you ran a stop sign. These are types of things that can show up and cause your insurance to go up. Another one that most people don't think with is changing your address. So certain areas have certain risk characteristics. I don't want to go into a whole like demographic debate, but that's just something that can happen. If you move from a lower risk area to a higher risk area, your auto insurance is going to go up. Adding new drivers, obviously more risk for the insurance company, more cost to you. Cancellation of your home policy. This is another one. Oftentimes people have a home insurance, auto insurance bundle discount. I try to do that for my clients as much as possible, but sometimes it's just not possible to do that, and that can cause your rates to go up. Taking a vehicle off of the policy. So let's say you got a multi-car discount. If you remove one of those cars, you could get charged extra premium. Changing an employment. So let's say you were an engineer and you got a credit for being an engineer because of some professional association. If you lose that professional association, that can cause your insurance to go up. Medical conditions. So let's say you get some restriction or something like that that causes your insurance to go up. I don't hear a lot about that, but it can happen. Mistakes. They could make an error and have to need me to sort out billing. I have a client right now that I'm sorting that out. If you're watching this, I'm sorting it out. Okay. Changes to the payment plan. So sometimes insurance companies, if you like pay in full, they'll give you like a 10% credit, or if you pay semi-annually, they'll give you a little bit of a discount, or monthly, they give you a different, like setting up for automatic draft will sometimes get you a different discount as opposed to not having automatic draft. So something to keep in mind. Those are some of the factors that can cause your auto insurance to go up. The other thing that I will go over is a second set of factors that is not under your control. So those first 10 you can control, and you are in charge of your own destiny on that one. So, but let's say you're in an area, and like I live in Nashville, Tennessee. There's been a whole lot of accidents. I saw like 3 today. So if the losses of an area for bodily injury, property damage, etc. go way high, it can affect the insurance company's need to recuperate some of that money by raising everyone's auto insurance rates. And you'll hear about this sometimes that happens, and that can definitely be a factor. It's something to be aware of and see if you can, a lot of times your companies will have different, like, I'll show you one. One of my carriers called Grange, they have this program. It's called the On Track program. Ignore that score. It's kind of low. I usually have it higher, but like for example, this will map your routes that you take, and it will show you like if you had a sudden braking or you had a sudden acceleration or you had a high, like you were speeding. It'll actually record it, and so then the better you drive, the better opportunity you have for a discount. Other ones like Progressive, I know, has this, and some other ones have a little thing that you plug into the bottom of your car, and that can actually help you to get a discount on your rate. Now, if you are a crappy driver, it can add an extra charge to your rate. So be aware of that if you have it. But most of the times you plug it in there, you drive around for 3 months, then you take it out, you send it back, and they credit you with a discount. Okay? So this is Walter McCormick coming to you with some auto insurance tips. I hope you guys found this informative. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to note those below. Hit that subscribe button, and I greatly appreciate it, and I'll bring you more content. All right? And if you have specific questions, let me know that also so I can make videos on it. Okay, have a good day. Bye.